In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Shopify Payments. We'll guide you through the process, ensuring you have all the information you need to manage your store's payment settings smoothly and efficiently. To begin, let's dive into the Shopify admin dashboard, which is where you'll handle all back-end tasks for your store. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already comfortable with it. You'll see various options on the left-hand menu. We'll be focusing on the Settings tab, which is typically located near the bottom of this menu. Go ahead and click on that. Within the settings, the next area to turn our attention to is the Payments section. Here is where you can control and configure all your payment options. Click on Payments to open up a new page dedicated to these settings. As you land on this page, you'll notice that Shopify Payments might already be enabled if you haven't made changes before. It's worth noting that Shopify Payments is the default payment processor offered by Shopify, providing an integrated option for handling transactions. However, if you're considering alternatives or have decided to switch your payment processor, you'll want to deactivate Shopify Payments. On this Payment Settings page, you'll see an Edit button located next to Shopify Payments. Go ahead and click on Edit. This will bring up a new window where you'll be able to make changes to your Shopify Payments settings. Here, you might be prompted with different options and settings related to your account. What we're focusing on is the option to deactivate. To do this, look for the Deactivate Shopify Payments button, usually placed at the bottom of the page. It may be a little tricky to find, so take your time to scroll through any dense text or small print until you spot it. Once you've located the Deactivate Shopify Payments button, click on it. It's important to note that you might be prompted to confirm this action. As with any significant change, Shopify wants to ensure that you understand the impact of deactivating their payment system, so be ready for a pop-up confirmation window. When this appears, carefully read any details presented to you. Then, click Deactivate again to complete this process. You're almost done now. With Shopify Payments deactivated, it's crucial to set up an alternative payment gateway if you haven't already. This ensures your customers can still complete purchases without a hitch. You can find several options right within the payment settings we explored earlier. Explore these alternatives thoroughly and choose one that fits best for your business needs. Remember, each processor might have its own set of fees and conditions, so weigh your options carefully. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on deactivating Shopify Payments. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave comments below, and we'll get back to you. Enjoy your Shopify experience.